What's up, gang? Alright, we just arrived at the Coaticook and we're going on a hike to Coaticook Gorge. We're preparing the stuff and we're ready for a little hike. See what's going on over there. Alright, so lunch is done and this is actually the setup right now, and we're going on a hike for 7 kilometers. Yay! Little hike and the little Subi park over there. We're gonna have a party. I'm gonna put a map down below to show you how it is. What's the circuit today? First stop, pee-pee stop. Hey! That's sweet. That's nice. Super sweet. Forest Lumina. It's raining, but it's okay. Oh yeah. Hello, Yoo-hoo. Boom. Oh yeah. Not a lot of water here. Very nice. This is called a projector. Valley. On s'en va dans une grotte de cave. Year of construction 1923. So a little historical site with the mines industry and also the log industry. You can see right now pictures of that place, and yeah, pretty nice, huh? Let's see what's going on in this. Where are we at? All right, so we just did start over there. We took that bridge as you saw, then here, then we passed that. These are the stairs, and as you can see, they're very steep. There's a lot of them. And underneath, you've got the cave. So this is the cave. Then we're gonna do here, back, and here, and over here. Might have to fly just in front of the bridge with the drone footage like you just saw. We'll double check. Until then, yes, be safe, care, yes. It's wet around here. It's very wet. Very nice. As you can see, it's a nice place to hang out. It's fresh. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's nice. Don't hit your head. At least we got that. It's a cool place. Do you think I was expecting that this weekend? I don't think so. It's very cold here compared to the warm temperature we have today. That's what it is. This is where you saw the drone footage. And you could hear the waterfalls as you saw before. So the weekend is actually to enjoy ourselves alone, no kids, together, have some fun. Coaticook. This is the hike, and oh my god, just saw something else. We're going down the gorge. Ooh. Hoop. What was that? That's cool. That's nice. Oh yeah. If you want to know something funny, you saw a couple of pictures we just took like when we were over there. Well, check this out now. Like within 2 minutes. Well, that's weird. Would you understand something? I don't. There's no more water. It was falling like crazy and now it's only a dam. This is actually the tower, and just beside electric there, you'll see. Pretty sure it's gonna look nice. We're not finished. We're almost done. A couple of more stairs. Let's go. Because a beautiful day is a beautiful day. Can't really see it. Here, there's a couple of them. There's a big one over there. Hello. And the bridge is up there. Pretty nice. So, as you saw on the map, that's the way to go. Perfect. Let's go. Water. Bridge. And boom. Coaticook. River Coaticook. I'll put the link below from the history of that thing. It's gonna be pretty nice, and They used to actually use the electricity for many stuff, and you'll see that dam. A lot of people went there, maybe, but it's not the place to swim because of that. Yeah. Cuckoo! Are you vlogging? Yes, I am. Wow, wow, wow. Cuckoo. Check the spot. There. Waterfalls on top of waterfalls on top of waterfalls. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm not going anywhere. I found my spot. And guess what? We're the only one. Coaticook. Woohoo! Water is really good. Really. Ow. Wow. Yeah, that's nice. Camping in a parking lot. Yeah, that's great. So, just took my shower after the hike, which is just awesome to have on-demand water. Genius. So yeah, and note for me, this one, stand still, nope, this one yes. So yeah, that's a note for me. Now let's go see what it's cooking right now. And we have a beautiful sun right now. We got some sort of a steak. Yeah. And we have some rice, which is coming up. And this is all the stuff we need. That's it, that's all. There you go. Alright. Let's see what's going on over there for food. Got some rice here. Check this out. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.